For today's hip circuit, I'm using a mini band for the lower body, but if you don't have one, that's okay. You don't need one. All right, first things first, set the hips back and down. Doing a warm-up now, lateral steps, side to side, side to side. You can do more reps than I'm doing here. I just want you to warm up a little bit, get that blood flowing and get that blood pumping. Out, in, out, in, out, in if you can. If you're unable to take the impact of the jumping, you can step in, out, in, out, and do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now, if you have a band, place it around the ankles or a little bit higher. If you don't have a band, again, that's okay. You don't need one. You'll still get a lot out of this movement. But I want you to first, again, hinge those hips back. Very important. Sit back into them. Now, on a diagonal, you're coming out from the hip, picking up the other foot, and coming back in nice and easy. On a diagonal, in, alternate. You're gonna go a little bit further than I am here. I want you to do at least 10 steps forward, 10 steps backwards. Nice and easy. Now you're gonna feel it a little more in the glutes on the way back. We're having fun. Next up, lateral steps again, but with the band, and if not, again, you are going to go ahead and do this without the band, but you're actually going to move across the room. Come out from the hip as best as you can, come in, don't keep a little bit of tension on the band if you do have a band, okay? But don't come all the way in. Make sure there's a little bit of distance between the feet. Set those hips back. In, out, in. Time for some monster walks. You're going to take that band and either bring it above the knees or right below the knees. Up to you. These are also called duck walks. I'm going to go ahead and place it above the knees. Now, bringing tension on the band if you have one. Okay, knees apart, and you're going to just walk forward, heel to toe, nice and low. Heel to toe, on the way back, toe to heel, toe to heel. You're going to feel this in your glutes and in your hips. You want to make sure you're not letting that band control you. You're controlling the band, so push those knees apart. Now, place that band below the knees, and we're just going to go ahead and work on those abductors. One side, and then of course we're going to do the same thing on the other side. 5 to 10 reps. You can do a few sets of these as well. Now, crossover stretch. Go ahead and do either just a crossover or a bretzel. So I'll explain it in this clip here. Opposite hand, opposite leg, knee 90 degrees, and you're slowly bringing that leg to the opposite side, keeping the shoulders on the mat or on the floor if you can. Now grab that opposite foot if you want to get a nice quad stretch in. This is called a bretzel. If not, just go ahead and focus on the first one. Now let's go ahead, hug the knees in and rock back and forth on the lower back, if you can. Started with a hip circuit, and now we're just doing a few mobility movements and a few stretches. Now it's time for happy baby. If you can, try to grab those feet and bring the knees back outside the elbows and rock back and forth. If you're unable to do this, just keep hugging those knees. Don't forget to come in for your assisted stretch sessions and your spa sessions. Keep up the good work, everybody.